There, my name is Marla Hegel. I'm the owner and designated broker of Windermere Real Estate here on beautiful Camano Island and Stanwood, Washington. Today, I'm here to run you through the market stats for our area ending September 2021. Here's what's going on. At the end of September, the average sale price on Camano Island was $700,969. We had 36 active listings on the market and had sold 388 homes year to date. Those homes were on the market an average of 16 days and sold at an average of 5% above list price. In Stanwood, the average sale price was $628,313. There were 31 active listings on the market at the end of September, and we had sold 468 homes in Stanwood year to date. Those homes were on the market an average of 13 days and also sold about 5% over list price. Of the 388 homes that sold on Camano year to date, here's how it broke down. 13.7 were listed below or sold below 399,000. 17.5 sold between 4 and 500. 15.7% sold between 5 and 600. 26% sold between 6 and 800. 14% between 800 and a million, and 13% over a million. And that's the highest percentage over a million that we've seen so far. In Stanwood, 11.1 sold below 400, 16 between 4 and 500, 32% between 5 and 600, about 21% between 6 and 800, 14.3 between 800 and a million, and 5.6% of the homes sold in Stanwood were over 1 million. September 2021 versus September 2020. The average sale price on Camano Island was up 22%, and in Stanwood was up 19%. If we look at the last 10 years and the average sale prices in both Stanwood, the blue line, and Camano Island, the gray line, we can see that the trend has definitely been going up, especially in the last couple years. Camano Island, let's focus on September a little bit more. The new listings added on Camano, 44 compared to 48 last year, so down only 8%. Pendings, homes that went under contract during September, 48 September 2021 versus 38 2020. That's an increase of 26%. And whenever I see the pendings increasing, that is what is happening right now. So that's a good sign of things to come, meaning we expect more solds in the future when those pendings go up. Speaking of solds, we had 54 in September of 2021 and 50 in September of 2020. That's an increase of 8%. We have 0.6 months of inventory on Camano Island. That's just a little over 2 weeks. So that means if we did not list any other homes on Camano Island, it would take us about 2 weeks to sell out of the inventory that we have. In Stanwood, new listings 48 compared to 59. That's a decrease of 19% from last year. Pendings are also down a little in Stanwood, 50 compared to 62 last year, decrease of 19%. Sold 64 versus 63 last year, so it's an increase of 2%, just about the same. About 2 weeks of inventory in Stanwood, incredibly low. Looking at our market share, Windermere has sold 343 sales on Camano Island. This is over the rolling 12 months, so definitely have nearly 40% market share in this market. And in Stanwood, we have about 22% market share and have sold 263 sales over the last 12 months. Let's talk a little bit about some insights. So the September 2021 insights sound a little bit like a broken record. The Stanwood and Camano Island markets continue to be driven by low interest rates, pent-up buyer demand, job and lifestyle changes, and inventory shortages. These all add up and continue to add up to a very active market. There were 92 new listings added in September in our 98282 and 98292 zip codes. This was slightly less than a year ago when we added 107. This volume is also shy of the total listings added last month in August, where we added 131. The 92 listings added last month fell short of the number of pending sales, which was 98. That's emphasizing continued buyer demand. So there's still more pending sales than there are listings being added. The number of pending sales, however, fell 2% from a year ago, 98 versus 100, not much change. Despite the drop, September was one of the most productive Septembers in more than a decade. The average sale price for a home on Camano Island is $709.69. This is down slightly from last month. In Stanwood, however, the average sale price is $628,313, is up from last month's average. Inventory has declined 31% from a year ago. At the end of September, there were only 67 active listings in our market. There are 0.5 months or about 2 weeks of inventory available, a decrease from last month's 0.8 months of inventory. There has not been a month with over 1 month of inventory available since June of 2020. Here's a note to sellers. This is pretty much what we talked about last month, but pricing a property correctly has never been more important. The lack of homes available for sale indicate that property will move quickly if priced reasonably. Even slight overpricing can lead to extended market time and the possibility of offers below list price. Buyers, low inventory will still pose a challenge to you. Prices are continuing to level out, and the market will historically slow down a little as we move into the holidays. Stay in the market during this time if you can. You may find less competition due to inclement weather and holiday travel. So remember, at Windermere, our reaction to the local market, our dedication to the community, and commitment to our trade is why we help our clients sell more real estate in Stanwood and Camano Island than any other company. We're all in for you. Reach out anytime and have a great day.